Hello. In this case, we are going to use two different molecules, the metformin, like it's a basic compound with pKa 11.5, and the oxycholic acid with pKa of 6.0 in order to show how to use the LiProS tool. You have any question, here's our mail, and you can contact us in order to help to you if you have any with this kind of tool. So we are going to the LiProS tool in Google Colab. It's a very easy tool. You can find some information. And the important thing is because you need to install all the tools, all the package in order to use the program. This in the first cell. Then you can go to the second cell. In this kind, you can insert the smile codes for the molecules as well. You can use an Excel file. You have a lot of molecules, for instance. In this case, we just represent easy example using metformin and the oxycholic acid, two compounds, and you can paste that smile codes for the metformin space, and then you can put the or you can paste the smiles for the oxycholic acid. So then you put enter and you have to insert the desired pH, in this case 7.4 and 7.4, but you can use different pH in these cells. Then you need to put if your molecule is acidic or basic. In this case, we first use metformin, so we put base space and just we put acid for the oxycholic acid and the pKa. You can use different very good machine learning tools for spread the pKa. You can use commercial software like Canapso or ACD Labs, for instance, or well, you can find experimental pKa if your molecules are very common. In our case, this example, we use the experimental pKa for metformin and the experimental pKa for the oxycholic acid, enter, and then the script is running, and you can go to the third part, the run the models with your molecules. You can play in this tool, play in this part, and in your computer you are going to have a direct download of the LiProS results. Then you can see the results in a CSV file like the like this one, when you have again your smiles, your kind of molecules, acid or basic, the pKa, and the results. They use the prediction say that for the metformin you have to use the equation 2. That's mean that is very important in order to measure or using some experimental technique for determining a cure lipophilicity profile for this compound. You have to take into account the ionic part of this molecule. In the case of the oxycholic acid, it's not necessary. The prediction is just equation one. That means that you need the log P and the pKa in order to predict the lipophilic profile for this lipophilic compound. In this case, the oxycholic acid. So, thank you so much.